Igbo people buy all the whole house wey dey seize after the civil war between Biafra and Nigeria war. This our brother from Rivers don come outside come cry. He say im brothers why they go carry the same house wey their papa stole from Igbos come dey sell and give them. Say they almost buy everything, and no be for only Rivers, e dey happen for everywhere. The question is that you can buy property as far as the law of Nigeria is concerned anywhere you want in the world. Let me tell you something, that what goes around also turns around, because the history always repeats itself, as they said. Igbo people are hard-working people, yes, and the truth is that I'm about to say the truth is, did Nigeria treated them well? The answer is no. So it's only God, their God they serve, do bless them. When you people are giving them 20 pounds, if I can remember, 20 pounds according to the history, and left them with nothing. Today they are billionaires everywhere. So my brothers, coming to social media telling people that Igbo people have bought that they should stop selling the house, your brothers will go hungry, because if money no day for this regime, all of us dey like this, everybody they cry, lawyer they cry, police they cry, army they cry, even everybody, even those one wasting their house or something. You say the day easy for no, it's not easy for them. So everybody they cry to put. So telling people that Igbo people have bought everything, yes, they deserve to buy more of it. So you can go to the east and buy as well. You can go to Owerri, you can go for Abia and buy as well. Nobody is stopping you. I don't know why you guys are afraid of investing in Southeast. Is there anything scary away from there? Do you know that you can make good profit in Southeast when investing in their land, like Owerri, like Aba, like Enugu? You can make good money from it. So what is stopping you? Go there and buy as well and build. They find fortune your land. That's why you see them there. They have business. That's why you see them there. So they need to feel comfortable as a woman, but that's how it's supposed to be. I want you to watch this video where this our brother talk this thing, and before we will come back, come continue. Watch the video.
My dear brothers in Rivers State, it is really sad to note that all the houses sold through abandoned property, all the houses our parents bought through abandoned property are now being bought again by the Igbos. The same properties we bought through abandoned property, the Igbos are buying them. Not only in Port Harcourt, but even in Lagos. Tomorrow I go talk. Say they're not full everywhere. You are selling back your properties to them. You are selling back your properties to them. The Igbos are buying our properties. Tomorrow I go say they cheat you before they buy them. Now with your koro eye, your koro eye, you are selling all your father's properties to the Igbos. You are selling all your properties to the Igbos. Tomorrow you go tell me say Igbo man a corny man, Igbo man a cheater, Igbo man a this, Igbo man a that, Igbo man a that, Igbo man a this. Yet you are selling almost 70% of the houses that you bought through abandoned property back to the same people that originally built them, back to the same people that originally owned them, back to the same people that originally you accused of stealing your commonwealth to build. Your father has thought they were smart, but you have proven to your fathers that you are not smart. Your head is dull. That is the reason you are selling everything your father bought through abandoned property to the Igbo man. The Igbo man that truly owned them, that truly built them. Is the God asleep? God didn't sleep. God didn't sleep. That is what is in vogue in Rivers State. The Igbos are buying almost everywhere, developing everywhere. I'm not going to talk to them now. Tomorrow I'm going to say, they claim they don't get Rivers State. But you are the same people that are selling your properties. You are the same people that are selling your houses to them. I don't hate Igbo man, but Igbo man is a very intelligent and smart man. Today they buy, tomorrow when you almost buy from him, you want to fight and back. That time go worry you. That time you go worry you. Don't say I did not tell you. Don't say I did not tell you. Keep on selling them. Sell everything you have. Sell it to them. They're in their business with that. Sell them.
Okay, my people, welcome back as you don't watch that video. So now what do you think say we will tell this our brother for this matter? We come outside for social media come talk say Igbos they buy all the whole property where their papa stole from Igbos and give them 20 pounds those days. So what do you think we fit tell this our brother? For me, I tell and say, brother, you get right to buy property anywhere you like in the southeast. Nobody is stopping you. Go there and buy. They will sell for you. They are not restricting you of buying house over there. So you don't have to come and complain. If your brothers is their is one way they do in their investment. So if they no sell am, they no fit chop for as we dey like this. So let me leave my community, my everybody, my fans to comment put for this matter. Please don't forget to share and also subscribe to this channel for more updates.